Welcome to the Peak Practice Minute brought to you by Synergy. I'm Jason Lazarus, founder of Synergy. This minute features Perry Schneider of the Mike Morse Law Firm and Fireproof Performance, discussing how law firms that scale and grow without forecasting can be a recipe for failure.
They really don't have that business acumen. And they just sort of grow depending on how the money's coming in, on when the cases are landing, and there's really no strategy to it. And then they're all of a sudden they can't make payroll because they really haven't done the forecasting. They don't know their numbers. They don't know how this quarter is going to be to next quarter to next year. And so getting a good handle on your numbers so that you understand what your inventory is, what those cases are going to yield, when they're going to yield. It just helps you make so many more informed decisions.
Perry just emphasized the importance of growing your business acumen and monitoring your KPIs as you grow. If you want to facilitate the growth of your practice by improving your workflow using our team of lien resolution experts, partner with Synergy to eliminate disbursement bottlenecks due to liens.